Welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. Guys, my name is Ken, young entrepreneur investor in the stock market, in real estate, and of course, doing my own business. Guys, I like to help people make a difference, and this is why I'm actually doing this channel about a year now. If my contents have made any great stride for you guys, show your appreciation. Watch the videos, let me know what you think. Now, we have an update video on Endo. Big news. In the last, I would say, 3 days, we can see that Endo and Impax have came to an agreement, and basically, and the juror was in the favor of Endo. Let's see how the stock price plays out on that. For many of you guys not sure what that deal or what the trial was about, if about 2010, 2014, there was a scandal with Endo, basically that they paid off this company to hold back the Opana. It's more like a generic pain drug that people use in emergency room. But long story short, and the trial is now over, hopefully. Now, another disappointing news with Endo as well is that the main study in terms of and the cold shoulder, as you want to call it, drug that was supposed to make a huge difference, didn't go so well in the studies, and that kind of hold back the company. But before we jump too much into it, let's jump into how the stock price was performing over the last few days, if we will. Let's take a look back. We see here on Friday, what day is today? Today is Tuesday. So let's take a look back and how the stock price was performing for Endo. That would be, let's take a look at my calendar here. That would be on Friday. So US had on holiday. Yesterday was the 4th. So on Friday we saw huge move with Endo. We saw it drops below 38 cents per share again. Now I tell people over and over that says, hey, make sure that you're taking great advantage of the stock price when you can. If we take a look here in the last 5 days, we can see if you have been watching my videos at that time when Endo was below $40, 40 cents per share, I advise people to make sure that they are buying as many shares as possible. And of course, once we saw that Endo rises above 78 cents to 80 cents, I create a video right away and let you guys know that, hey, I'm selling at 78 cents and I'm waiting for a pullback. We saw it dips below 70 cents for a small period, and then it rebounds and touches 80 cents. But since that time, we have seen it gone all the way back down in the 38 cents to 39 cents per share. I let you guys know just around here that, hey, at 38 cents per share, for those of you guys that's following in the chat, I said at 38 cents per share, this is a great buying opportunity for you to buy and hold for another surge. Now, if you were watching that video and if you guys were able to buy again at below 40 cents per share, you could have made a profit, because we saw it touches 62 cents on Friday. And then, of course, in the aftermarket, we saw it loses some steam, drops below. Let's take a look here. It drops below in the aftermarket. We saw it drops below 57 cents to close off the market at 54 cents at the aftermarket. But then we saw it opens up. It goes in another run again. It's currently at 68 cents per share. So if you guys were watching those videos, then definitely that would have made a big run for you guys. So basically, guys, this is what I do. I like to share when I'm buying stock and when I'm selling to take profit. Now, if you're going long term, that is totally okay. You're not, you don't have to sell your shares. You don't have to buy more shares. It's totally up to you. This is only in my own opinion. As usual, before you buy or sell shares, do your own research to make sure that you're making a decision that's financially suits your need. But if you guys were following my channel, specifically with Endo and many other calls that I made, I'm right on par. So again, guys, let me know if you were able to buy in at below 38%, below 38 cents per share on Thursday, Friday, and let me know if you guys were able to sell or rebuy, or if you're still holding, and what the plans are in the near future. Now, I still believe that this stock have A long way to go, but you just got to be patient. What I'm doing basically, each time it rises above 75 cents or 78 cents per share, I sell. I take a profit. I wait for it to do a pullback again, and then I rebuy, and I continue doing the same cycle over and over. Now it works for me. Not sure if the same thing will work for someone else, but you just gotta do your own research and see what the pattern that you like. Now, for me personally, guys, as I said, my goal is to have as many shares in the company as possible for when that right time comes. I'm able to sell at a high volume to make big profit in the future. Now, again, if you take a look at the screen, you can see how the stock has been performing. We all understand that the company was trading above $2.60 in the last 3 months. We go back 6 months, we have seen it over $3 per share. But particularly if you're following this company for a very long time, you can definitely see where it's coming from. It has a long way ahead. So just be patient to see where you want to profit. Anything over from $3 to $5, I'm okay with. That's the reason why I'm getting as many shares as possible. This may work for me, as I said, it may not work for somebody else. So invest responsibly. Make sure you're making the right decision that suits you. So, guys, if this is your first time that's coming to my channel, I hope this share some light into what we're doing. But as usual, do your own research, make a decision. Price right now above 68 cents. I hate going in at this high price, even though it's still below $1 per share. I like the sweet spot between 35 to 40 cents. And that's where I've been hitting it over and over. So again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if my channel have made a difference for you, if you have made money, whatever the case is. Let us grow together. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, peace out.